How to read Snapchat messages without opening them. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So there is this simple trick from which you will be able to read Snapchat messages without opening them or without letting them know that you read the message. So first, locate your Snapchat application, then go to the chat section. Now what you will have to do is simply put your finger on the leftmost corner of the chat and then simply swipe it like this. So you can see you are now able to read the chat but without totally opening it. And the chat is also not marked as read yet. So simply swipe and you will be able to read it. But remember, you will not be able to read complete chat without opening it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.